pray to God, can he hear you? Shit, I don't really know, but I hear you. And furthermore, I understand and I feel you. Shit, I look up to my mom, but she's old school. And I love her, but she don't know what I go through. Cause when you go from being a broke local to being bi-coastal, people feel like they know you. I'm like, damn, this is what it is. I'm trying to make a plan. I ain't never been around these lands, so hit up the weed, man. I don't smoke, but tonight I think I'ma get it in and get up in my zone and just zone. And to the soldiers coming home, I'm sorry for the delay. You probably feel betrayed, but nothing could be farther from the truth. You're not alone. We got you up a night.